Honey? I'm home. Studio booked me on an earlier flight. Michael? Our guests seem to be bonding.
Looks like it. Guess I better get these going.
Quick, before the Hollywood princess appears. Where's the tape, Michael?
Yeah, our DNA will be all over his face.
I had the tape.
Well, then get rid of it.
I said I had the tape. It's missing.
It's missing because you're chalked up all the time and forget where you put things.
There's a lot of stress in the cul-de-sac this morning. Not to mention murder.
She has the tape.
I've been looking for that.
Very impressive. Especially the girl on guy. Great production value for such a low-budget short. Nelson really was top of his game.
Mikey, look, I can
Is it
explain.
your idea, Connie? What are you, realtor by day, porno queen by night? Come on, give us a smile.
Give me the camera. I don't give a shit.
I do, bitch. Now we really have a problem on the patio, Connie.
Let me go, Frankie. Shit!
Poor sweet Charisse. You're the only innocent in this debacle.
Kinda like you. Who knows? We might become lovers.
Hello, Miss Unger. Miss Unger, it's me, Sean, from the studio. Miss Unger. Hello? I have your bags. Coming in now. Miss Unger.